So what's the question?
Heisenberg uncertainty principle.
Matt, so excited to be in Chem Lab today?
Oh, I'm so excited, I can't believe it.
Your favorite part of the afternoon.
Yeah, you guys want to lab me?
No.
Do we ever know what lab we're doing?
What's up, Dr. Brack?
Dr.
Hi,
Brack.
Brack.
Hey, Dr. Brack. You ready for lab? Oh.
Dr. Brack,
Yes?
how much should I dilute this?
I don't know, Christina. Matt's getting paid for this lab. Why don't you go ask him?
Oh,
He's the TA.
okay.
Dr. Brack, I had another question.
Sure, Becca. Well, I see you brought your laboratory notebook. Do you know how important laboratory notebooks are for physical chemistry?
I do.
There's a famous chemist by the name of Linus Pauling who had a great laboratory notebook. And, Linus Pauling, when he met his girlfriend, when he was taking physical chemistry 2, it messed up his whole entire life and it turned it upside down. And if you compare his physical chemistry 1 notebook to his physical chemistry 2 notebook, it looks like 2 completely different people. Why don't you take a seat, Rebecca? Please, take a seat. When I was back in 1976, when I was taking calculus, I had a notebook just like that. But they don't make them the way they used to.
Yeah, I know.
And speaking of that, fountain pens.
Yeah.
They don't make those the way they used to either. I actually have one in my office for you if you'd like. They write very well. If you look here, it's a very smooth glide to it.
Yeah, that's great.
You almost never run out of ink.
That's impressive.
And speaking of fountain pens, I think we should discuss the electronic transitions of the hydrogen atom, which is actually going to be on your test on Thursday. Are you ready for that, Rebecca?
Dr. Brack, really, my question was just
Before you answer your question, I just want to explain to you that if you take En, it's equal to minus h bar squared over 2me, which is the mass of an electron, a naught squared,
Right, Dr.
times
Brack.
1 over n,
Yeah.
and that equals, and you can actually simplify that down to negative 1 over n, and the rest are constants. So they equal 2.179 times 10 to the minus 8 joules, where
Dr.
n
Brack.
is the different energy levels of the hydrogen. So n can actually equal 1, 2, 3. And do you know why n cannot equal 0? Because it has to do with 0-point energy. Do you know that the energy in the universe, that you can never hit the 0-point energy?
Right, Dr. Brack. Dr. Brack, I know. Dr. Brack, my question was just if I could go to the bathroom.
Oh. So speaking of bathrooms, Columbium, which is actually